Whether it's a very simple or the ultimate Thanksgiving feast, there is no turkey in our house without a good Caribbean-inspired cranberry chutney on the side. This is one of Mommy's favorite on the Thanksgiving table. If there is one thing I know very well, it's fusing Caribbean flavors into American classics. Today, I'm happy to share my personal version of cranberry sauce or cranberry chutney. This is so much better than the canned version, and once you taste the bright, refreshing flavors of a fresh cranberry chutney, you'll never open a can again. As with all my recipes, it has the perfect balance of umami flavors. If this is something you want on your Thanksgiving table, let's start cooking. First, we'll add the water to the pot. Next, I'll add 1 pound of cranberries. These cranberries have been picked through and rinsed. Next, I'll squeeze in the orange juice. I'll add the cinnamon sticks. I'll add the cardamom and the cloves. Hot pepper. Bandania. Cumin. And the sugar. Medium-high heat. Once it comes to a boil, we'll reduce the heat to simmer. Reduce the heat to low. How many minutes has this been cooking? Keep an eye on this because it will overflow unless you're using a deep enough pot. It's done when all the cranberries are popped and the sauce is thickened. I'll add a touch of salt to bring out the flavors, a half teaspoon. Give it a taste. Very delicious. It's going to go great with the turkey. And that's it. It's done. As you can see, all the cranberries have popped. The sauce is thickened, and it's going to continue to thicken further as it sits. All the spices are in there. You can pick them out, and you could make this ahead of time. You can keep this in the refrigerator in a container, and you could make it 1 to 2 weeks in advance. And that's it. It's done. Spicy, sweet, and delicious. Hope you give this one a try. If you do, come back and do let me know below. Until next time, my friends, be safe, stay well, cook, share, and love. Bye bye.